Go. Hello, good afternoon. Now we're going to house of Micah Apolinar. We're going to her house. I'm going to visit her house. Then I will give 5 kg of rice. Hi. Isog ba mo sa camera te?
Natungos may sa ubos niya.
Pabidyo ko te.
Si Maggie mapar to nas swimming to.
Bahala ni mo, bahala te. This is the inside of house of
Saya papa natog sa ubos niya lang.
Micah. This is the kitchen area.
Yang kula po day makita na day.
Hala, nakitaan gyud di ay te.
Ay sige lang herbal na.
Vitamins.
Sige kula po bitaw na.
Toblerone. Kitchen area. Te, pasudlaw ko rin te ha.
May say tao na.
Saan ni kwarto? Kwarto or call room. Bedroom.
Maoro ba kayo nagbuto? Patay ka rin. Lipong ka, kuyapan.
Lipong lang kita.
Wala, kuyapan na.
This is the CR area or bathroom.
Siguro kasi masyado akong patpatan nung nagdala ko pa ako ng mga paninda ko.
And now we're going to background of her house. Oh, they have a 2-room. This is the background, but it's locked. But this is the house of Micah. Sige, te.
My name is Lisa Batulan,
How old are you, te?
38 years old. Jamaica Apolinar, 1 year.
1 year.
My name is Michaela Biapolinar, 9 years old.
Baka tulad na.
My name is Michaela Biapolinar, 12 years old. My name is John Martin, 10 years old.
What is your work and you and your husband?
Scavenger, ma'am.
Scavenger. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait lang, eh.
Sige ako Jamaica.
Thank you. Ayun na lang.
Kamu? Uwong. Ganuli.
Ganuli ba, Phil?
Day!
Thank
Oh,
Dayen Gayon Doremen, thank you.
balik.
Dayen Gayon Doremen, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.